The Jeep Cherokee key fob for 2014-2019 models has a sealed plastic case held together by strong adhesive. Because of this design, the most common reason why your remote is not working is a dead CR22 battery. To replace it, carefully pry open the case using a plastic pry tool or guitar pick to avoid scratches. Some users use a heat gun or hair dryer on low heat around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius for no more than 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Work slowly around the seam until the case separates. Remember, improper opening can damage internal circuits. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. These batteries typically last 1 to 3 years before needing replacement. Install the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Use a reputable brand like Energizer to prevent leakage and ensure reliability. When reassembling, apply new adhesive or tape to reseal the case securely. This helps maintain the fob's integrity. Test the remote after reassembly. If it still doesn't work, check for corrosion or button wear and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If reprogramming is necessary, turn the vehicle's key to on and off 3 times. Refer to your owner's manual for details. DIY fixes are common, but consider professional help if uncomfortable.